Welcome back to the Mason Clan. Today we're going to do an introduction to the camping car park network in France. This is handy to have if you ever travel out of season. We find the app to be good. From here we can see the credit we have and make searches for a place to stop all over France. There's camping villages and the air style stops. Once you've found a stop you like the look of, the app will give you more detailed information, including pitch availability, the price, the address, and any facilities available there. Quite often this includes Wi-Fi, waste, water, and often electricity. It also has reviews from previous users of the site. Contactless entry is made via a preloaded card. These can be bought at some of the entrances, or you can order one online to be delivered to your home in the UK. This is the sign you're looking for. Topping up credit is easy. We just transfer funds across from our bank account when we need to. The Camping Mom villages we feel have a campsite feel to them, often giving you a grassy pitch. And the airs are just that, it's an air park up. You can pre-book pitches, but you would need an enhanced subscription for that, and we've never felt the need for it. Coming up is a video of entry into one of the sites. Be aware of no mow May. This is where the pitches do not get mowed for the month of May, so may become overgrown.